Oh man, Transformers are over. My favorite.
Don't you know? Movie theater around the corner shows the whole franchise on weekends.
What? Really? Cool. I simply have to wear something special.
So, it must be something Transformer themed, right? Maybe a t-shirt?
I've got a better idea. A Transformer helmet.
Whoa, it does sound cool. Let's do it.
Awesome. Friends, are you coming? It's gonna be fun.
Whee! So, Roger, what shall we start with?
Let me think. We need some cardboard. This will be the base. Do we have a box cutter?
I'm reading your mind, Roger. Here it is.
Thanks. Friends, remember, it's better to ask an adult to help you with the cutting part. And done! Now I'll use some Transformer magic to turn one part into two. We'll need a lot more cardboard.
To make more flowers?
No, Sammy, these aren't flowers. You will see later.
Okay.
Great. Now we'll glue these together. And the base for the helmet is ready.
Oh no, we've run out of cardboard.
What? You gotta find some. We can't go on without it.
I've got an idea.
A few more boxes, Barbie, and we're done here.
Thanks for helping.
Whoa, it must be my lucky day. Look at all that cardboard. I'll just borrow some. I hope the guys won't mind. I bet they won't need all these boxes anymore anyway.
Huh? I thought we had more cardboard.
That's weird.
Here you go, Roger. More cardboard.
Wow, where did you get it?
I'd rather not tell.
Alrighty then. Here! Nicely done. We need to bend it along these lines this way. Now it's time to glue it all together.
Hey, Roger, how's it going?
Not bad. I'm already finishing one big piece. Here comes the lid. Great, but we need two of these. See?
Wow, that's some cool trick.
Yep, but we need more cardboard.
Fine. Whoa, is that an old cardboard mill? Roger will love it. You are going with me. Roger, look, I found a cardboard treasure.
You sure did. Thanks, Sammy. It's just what we need. These are very important details for our helmet.
Hey, come on, throw it already. How long should I wait? Huh?
Oopsie, I gotta go.
Ouch! Hey, Sammy, watch out! Oh, wait a second. This thing looks just like a piece we need. Well, almost. Now we're talking.
Roger, I found some more cardboard.
Great job, Sammy, and right about time. Okay, this part seems to be ready. Let's deal with the next one.
Hey, did you forget this little piece?
Let me see. Wow, Sammy, it's perfect.
This is what's perfect.
Thanks. Now, what do we need? Right, more cardboard.
No problem. Be right back.
Super.
That's it for today.
Woohoo! Great show, right?
Yay! Wow! It seems I found what I need. Hey, mister, your hat is amazing. What do you want for it?
My price is a super large lollipop.
Easy peasy, slimy squeezy. Here it is.
And here's the hat.
Thanks a million, man.
Ha, little weirdo.
Can I have that thing over there, too?
Sure, why not?
Cool.
So far, so good.
Oh, wow, Roger, you're a true master. How did you do all that? Aww.
Sam, how do you always know my next step? Now, watch closely. The next piece should be bent a bit.
Does this piece come next?
Well done, Sammy. It goes right here. So, looks pretty cool, huh? Let me just put it in place.
Wow, the craft looks amazing, Roger. But there's something missing here. What could it be? Oh, is this house for sale? Hey. Nobody's there, so no one will miss this cardboard. May I please you with this?
Totally. Here we go.
Here, take some more pieces I made.
Sam, you're such a great helper today. It looks more and more like a helmet I want. Sammy?
What? More cardboard? Coming right up? It's gonna be a tough job. La la la, la la la. I think it's the right place. Is anybody home? I better save the gold for later. Mission complete, Roger. Use it wisely.
Oh, what an interesting shape. Huh, convenient. I know exactly how to use these pieces. Okay, this piece almost looks good, but something is missing.
I know exactly what it is. I hope my GPS hasn't let me down. I knew that. Now back to the craft table. Yay! Wow! Stop! Whew! That was fast! That's what I call speed delivery.
What did you bring, Sammy? Ah, I know. Now we're talking. I'd better remember this trick for later.
Whoa, Roger, that was smooth.
Thanks for that high praise, buddy.
I'd better go search for more cardboard.
Great idea. I'll be here.
Ugh, it's too hot. I need my water.
Well, this task is getting trickier and trickier. Where do I get more cardboard? Huh. I'm sure this was left here for me.
Wait, where's my yoga mat?
Roger, a new portion of cardboard delivered.
You're just in time. This one's gonna be a mask. Time for an upgrade. Well, Sammy, how about some painting? I know you love it.
Yippee! My favorite part.
Welcome to our paint shop. Safety comes first.
Now we'll wait half an hour till the first layer dries.
This silver color makes it look even cooler. And this will provide some serious eye protection. Awesome. I'll attach them here and the mask's done.
Whoa, everything is so blue.
Yep, this is how a transformer sees the world. Okay, the paint is perfectly dry. Let's keep going.
Shouldn't we use the masking tape?
Good thinking, Sammy. We'll cover the areas that need to remain silver.
Look, I've done my part.
Well done. Let's get back to the painting shop then. There we go. So, what do you think, Sam?
I think you're a real talent, Roger. It's a masterpiece.
Thanks, buddy. Now, we can get rid of the masking tape. Well, it does look pretty cool, actually. But where's the mask?
Here it is, Roger. It was safe with me.
I have no doubts about that. Is it just me, or did we forget something?
Are you talking about this?
Exactly. Now, we're definitely done here.
Roger, this helmet is the bestest. How about trying it on, huh?
Okay, let's do this. Who's ready for the ultimate binge watching?
I am totally ready, Roger. Let's go.
We're off for tonight. And you guys subscribe to our channel and shower us with your likes.